Today we're going to be looking at this foldable portable keyboard. In this video, I'm going to show you what comes in the box, demo it for you, and give you my honest opinion. The seller did send this to us in exchange for a video. However, all of the views and opinions in this video are my own. In the box, you are going to have the actual foldable keyboard itself. On the top here, you can see that there's a charging port and an on and off button. There is a user manual as well as a charging cord. The first step is to turn it to on, and then we have to hit the Bluetooth button, which is this one here. So you can see here that it is flashing. No, Bluetooth 5.1 keyboard is what we're going to connect to. We're going to allow access, and we're going to pair it. For my device, now this may vary device to device, but for my device, I have a One Plus. It was plug and play, and I didn't even have to plug it, but you know what I mean. Once I connected it to the Bluetooth, it automatically started working. I was able to use the mouse pad. I was able to type using the keyboard, so it was automatic. I didn't have to change any settings or anything like that. It works just like a regular keyboard. All of the commands work the same. I'll show you that in a minute. The only thing that I will say is some of the letters are a little smaller than you'll be used to on a regular keyboard, like the T, for example, and the V, for example. So it does take some getting used to. It's not going to be your normal typing speed until you get used to the placement of those keys. They are still in the same places, but they have a little bit of difference in terms of the size, and there's also the fold where the keyboard folds into itself that feels different when you're typing on it. So it will have a learning curve. But overall, I am extremely impressed because sometimes I really do want to just type a note on my phone, and I don't want to use speech to text because it gets all messed up, and I also don't want to sit there with my thumbs and type it all out. I prefer using an actual keyboard whenever possible, especially when I'm doing long form text. See what I mean here about the functionality working the same way? I hit Control A, it selects all the text. I hit Delete, it deletes all the text. I hit Control Z, and it brings the text back. This works just like a regular keyboard. So if you like using a regular keyboard for long form text on your mobile devices like I do, I would highly recommend this one.